up there anyway, so I just figured whatever, start it over.
So are you guys pausing for a minute, or?
Yeah.
No, I'm back. I'm recording again now.
Okay, never.
I was just starting it over. This one might come in 5 parts. With all that Rick Perry bullshit.
Yeah, I was gonna heat up some food and didn't want microwave noise in there.
Ding, ding. Alright, well, you go to the kitchen then. We'll wait.
And damn it, Wes, I'm not making you another sandwich.
That's cold, bro. Real cold.
No, I want a sandwich. Emperor Palpatine's voice kind of puts a lot of strain on the chords.
Emperor Palpatine.
I don't know. I think I should have gone with Kermit.
You think you can do Kermit?
Maybe.
Just pause and then switch just randomly over to Kermit the Frog. No warning at all. Nothing.
Okay.
Hi ho, Kermit the Frog.
Well, Kermit the Frog here. Let's see if I can actually read it. On the other hand, maybe it was Jam and Cammy's and an all-crab t-shirt with a excuse me, with the logo Navy SEAL on it. It was drawing all the looks. That logo was always a magnet. Not that the good captain would care about that. Pretty boy wore his strap on, also a magnet.
You seem to be cutting in and out. I don't know why.
That's weird.
Just try and play your voice back, see what it sounded like.
Chapter 2. Tisk.
I think you're fine with that.
Wow.
Alright.
Emperor Palpatine got arrested.
Kermit the Frog shot him.
Can you get, a gunshot sound?
Yeah.
Great.
For example, here's what we'll do.
Shut.
Okay.
This book, lastly. Oh, wait.
Record in just a second, okay?
Yeah.
But then we're going to stop it, because I'm gonna do something else. We're gonna have to kind of sync this.
This novel is a piece of horse shit. As punishment, I will absorb all of your souls. Stop.
Okay. Record in 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. I'm not sure how good a quality that's going to be.
Was that just a car going by?
Oh, that's what it sounded. There's somebody had a car going by, so I think it kind of drowned out. Let me try something a little louder.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. So record in 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay. Record in... I'm sorry about this. 3, 2, 1, go. That's what you get for swine slap there. My car, bitch. Hi ho, Kermit the Frog here, taking over narrational duties. That alright?
Yeah.
Alright, now let me actually see where we left off at.
You left off at blah blah blah, stupid cowboy hat.
You're on or 42nd Street, not Louisiana.
I think we're just gonna go ahead and skip that part. Okay. On the other hand, maybe it was Jam and Cammy's and an olive drab t-shirt with the logo Navy SEAL on it that was drawing all the looks. That logo was always a chick magnet. Not that the good captain would care about that. Pretty Boy wore his NASCAR jacket, also a chick magnet. He and Geek were dressed normally in jeans. Captain Sphene, as he told them to call him, even though his real job was a gigolo. Yup. Thank you. Wait, that's actually not right, because isn't his name Captain... I think his name's Captain Dixon. Dick Dixon.
Dick Dickinson.
His name's Dick Dickinson.
Dick aneurysm.
Dick Parkinson's. Man. Captain Dickinson, as he'd been told to call them, even though his real job was as a... I think this voice is going to be hard to do. I really do.
Just slow down. You'll get it.
I'm going to wet my whistle. Stop it just for a second. Alright. 1...
Oh, God damn it.
House is on fire.
Was it the lady cooking fish again?
No.
What was it?
It's another severe weather threat thingy. Flash floods. Till 9:15 p.m. But unfortunately, it doesn't tell me what area it's in.
This novel is a piece of horse shit. As punishment, I will absorb all of your souls. Stop.
That's what you get for swine slap there. That's what you get. Where's the...
Doesn't matter, you can put it in later.
Yeah.
Rather than trying to record all that.
Wait till...
Wouldn't surprise me if this, like, unedited recording goes, like, 6 parts, because it's so fucking...
Yeah.
I'm already at, like, 8 minutes of part 2. 8.5. Dick Dickinson. Can you do Big Bird?
No, I don't think so.
Hey, Big Bird, I don't care fucking you famous you are, you get the fuck out of my car.
I think I'm going to use this sound effect instead.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I thought so.
Shit.
I have an unread message.
Okay, well, I don't know, start with Dick Dickinson.
Where are we?
Which page are you on?
Before you do the gigolo thing.
Where is the gigolo thing?
Oh, the Captain Sven thing.
Yeah, I'm going to do that again.
As Kermit?
As Kermit, I'll do it as Kermit.
Yay!
Do Rick Perry strong, Kermit.
Yeah, please do.
Okay. Let's see.
Don't know Rick Perry strong by heart. What sort of American are you?
Kermit the Frog here, and I'm ashamed to admit that I'm a Christian, but you don't need to get the pew every Sunday to know that there's something wrong in this country when gays are openly in the military, but our kids can't openly celebrate Christmas or pray in school. As president, I'll end Obama's war on religion. I'll fight against liberal attacks on our religious heritage. Faith made America strong. It can make her strong again. Hi-ho, I'm Kermit the Frog, and I approve this message.